Ito pong unang video nung pinupukpok sa ulo.
Binabastos nila ang ating gobyerno. Sige,
Opo.
go ahead.
Meron po silang computer na yung kausap po nila dun na model namin, iba po yung magiging ano sa computer. Kung ano po yung napili mong model sa Instagram. May computer po sila na gano'n.
AI, ang galing, ano? Okay. So, ma'am, Pilipina po kayo. Okay, hindi ko na po mic po. Hindi ko na po tatanungin ang inyong pong pangalan. So, ano po nangyari sa inyo sa loob po ng Pogo Hub?
Nung nag-decide po kami na uuwi na ng Pilipinas, nagpaalam po kami na uuwi na, hindi po kami pinayagan.
So, in other words pala, kayo po ay nagtrabaho sa Pogo sa Myanmar.
Sa Myanmar po.
Okay. So, doon kayo na-recruit papunta sa Myanmar.
Opo.
At tapos, paano po nangyari sa inyo? Nag-recruit po sa inyo dito sino? Mga Pilipinos as well.
Opo.
Sige, kwento nyo po.
Sa akin po kasi relatives ko Opo. Nag-usap po kami na pupuntahan ko siya sa Thailand. Magkasama kami sa Thailand. Pinangkuhan niya po ako na yung may working visa daw after, kasi 6 months lang po yung ano natin sa ibang bansa, di po ba? So, nung pagdating ko po doon po niya ako kinausap na yung magiging trabaho ko, hindi encoder. Kasi dito po sa Pilipinas, as encoder daw po eh. Sales marketing.
So, ano naging trabaho nyo po doon?
Sales marketing. Yung po sa,
Sales marketing. Ano minamarket po
sabi
ninyo?
Makikipag-chat.
Makikipag-chat for, ano yan, parang kukumbinsi mo siya to invest, gano'n?
Yes, to invest.
Or ito yung tinatawag na lab scam, na-involve ka rin sa lab scam?
Opo.
Paano ang ginagawa sa lab scam? Meron kayong parang, kasi I heard from PAOK TF na parang meron silang parang template.
Opo.
May template na binabasa na lang, tapos
Opo.
kinukonvince nyo sila na ma-inlove sa inyo.
Opo. Pagdating mo po doon, may papabasa po sila sa iyo na mga script kung paano ka makipag-chat, kung paano ka makikipag-usap sa mga client na mayayaman.
Okay.
Tapos, syempre po, getting to know each other, sabihin mo po kung papakilala ka. As doon po sa model mo na napili. Tapos magpapangga po na, mayaman ka, lahat i-share mo yung kung anong yaman ka. Tapos doon, pag napa-inlove mo na siya, doon mo na po siya i-convince na
Pero may tatanong ako sa iyo. Kasi it was told sa akin that doon sa hub, andun na yung mga meron kayong parang template na rin na may restaurant, merong
Opo.
gym. Kumbaga, pakikita mo doon sa na-labs ka mo na nag-gym ka, o kaya kumakain ka sa restaurant, o kaya nasa swimming pool ka,
Opo.
o kaya nasa kama ka.
Lahat po.
So lahat yun parang studio
Opo.
na kung saan pupunta ka na lang doon para makumbinsi mo yung may scam mo para mag-invest sa'yo.
Opo. May model din po kami. Iba
At-
po yung nakikipag-usap.
So yung mga model, pinakikita nyo sa video chat or pinakikita nyo lamang sa picture?
Pag makikipag-usap na po.
So may mga
Makikipag-video
model
call.
din kayo na mga na nandun din sa hub
Opo.
na magagandang babae.
Meron po silang computer na yung kausap po nila dun na model namin, iba po yung magiging ano sa computer. Kung ano po yung napili mong model sa Instagram. May computer po sila na gano'n.
AI, ang galing, ano?
Opo.
Okay, so yun yung lab scam.
Opo.
At yung investment scam, pag nakuha na mo na sila ng pera,
Pag napa-inlove mo na po siya, syempre po makakukonvince siya na mag-invest sa cryptocurrency.
oo. So
Opo.
may Bitcoin.
Opo.
Okay.
Through cryptocurrency po.
Okay, so yun ang ginagawa mo.
Opo, ako po yung nakikipag-chat, nakikipag-usap sa kanya. So pag nakausap ko na siya, na-inlove ko na siya, kakausapin ko po yung model, makikipag-video call siya.
Okay. Yung paano ka tinorture?
Nung ano na po, 6 months, dapat po magpapaalam na po ako kasi nagkasakit din po ako doon.
Na-torture ka ba?
Opo. Ako
Ano
po
ginawa
yung
sa'yo?
sa babae na pinaka-na-torture po doon.
Okay.
Opo.
Sige.
Nung nagpaalam na po kami, nag-decide na umuwi, syempre hindi po sila papayag kasi kung uuwi kayo, magbabayad kayo ng 7,000 USD.
Okay. Sige, anyway, you will be asked by the members of this committee, so we will be proceeding.
May we request, because some of us here do not have a low tolerance of, watching all of these tortures, especially women. May we request, Mr. Chair, that
Yeah.
we don't no longer show these videos. Remember, we are streaming on YouTube, and there are kids who may view these videos. Kaya nga,
Okay.
so can we request to
The very reason
a
that
testimony
yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
stories
All right.
is enough.
Yes, we will do that. Congressman Richard Gomez. Actually, that is the last already, no? Okay, so Congressman Gomez, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Gruesome as it may be to show these videos, Mr. Chair, but it is very important for everyone to see what is happening inside the Pogo. Kasi mahirap yung nagkikwentuhan lang tayo eh. Minsan nakakatulog tayo habang nagkikwentuhan. But if people are seeing what is happening inside these Pogo hubs, then you feel the pain, you feel the torture, you feel the illegal activities that are happening inside, and then people are having an understanding. Ano bang ginagawa ng mga ahensya natin sa gobyerno? What are the LGUs doing? What are the PNP people doing? What is the BID doing? What are the accomplishments of the PA, the PAOK agency? All of this, Mr. Chair, that is why, sad as it may seem, pero dapat makita talaga ng tao. But I agree na ang dami nang nakita, then maybe we can already put a stop to this.
Yeah.
But
Actually,
we have to understand, Mr. Chair, na itong Pogo na to is really hurting our society. It is corrupting our government. It has become a bedrock of corruption.
Okay, so Mr. Dilan, can you kindly narrate to these two committees and to these resource speakers who are here, yung what happened to you first, no?
Okay.
Ikaw muna, then we will be asking the others, and then to
Okay,
you
sure.
translate that to us.
Sure.
So you start with how you were recruited, and then how you were put in that facility,
okay.
and then how you were rescued or escaped, or
Yeah, some
so
things.
what are the surrounding circumstances
Okay.
from the time that you arrived in this country to the moment that you were rescued by the PAOK?
Okay.
Please proceed.
Okay, actually, I came in Philippines since 2021. Okay, that one is I travel in Dubai, and then transfer because our old company there already transfer over here. Okay, after that, okay, why I will be in Bamban Talak? Okay, when February 10th, that one is almost Chinese New Year. I will meet up in our friends. That one is my old colleague when I meet in Philippines here. And then when I arrived there, okay, in Bambantalak, the place there, and then I just maybe in the dinner, we will get the dinner at that time. Okay. And then he told me to wait in the domestary there. He said he will go to do something and then come back later. And then I just wait until around 30 minutes after. The office, like the in charge, maybe the admin or anything, is coming to calling me, and then go to the supervisor place, and then he will tell me I need to work in there, and then maybe have I think I already get sell because I have some knowledge for that. If I will go to park, and then it's not allowed to go out, and then them say I need to, and then asking for if I pay the price of that they sell me, then them say it's not allowed. And then actually you need to, how to say, minimum you need to work around half an years. After that, if without the payment, you already pay out the payment, and then I can get like freedoms or something like that.
So were you tortured?
Okay, when the times, when I in Bamban there, and then I already get, when I first day, you already give up my phone, my personal phone, and then I lost my contacts, or maybe I just try to, how to say, just save myself until I get the phone, or maybe I find another way for contacts. And then after that, I just try.
But were you tortured? Have a
that was
physical abuse or something?
the back, in the back.
Back?
No. In the face. The time then torture me in the face, and then I will report in.
You were slapped, or you were punched?
Yeah, we will get punched. we get punched.
How many times?
Just 1 or 2 times. That time I forget, but I feeling the first time is already drunk. Yeah.
Dr. Winston, is he the one that was rescued with the with the bench? Okay, sige. So Dylan, so we will be asking the other no.
Okay, sure.
I think the physical abuse that was perpetrated on your person is not that much compared to the others.
I think them is more hardest.
Okay.
with me.
So we'll be asking who? Dr. Winston,
Okay.
translator. Pero he was rescued as well. Not too much violence against him. Can you kindly give him another mic? So
Okay.
so Dylan, kindly ask him the same
Okay.
question from the time
how
that,
you were happenings，
yeah.
就是他想问一下你怎么在那个邦刚 club 嘛，就是克拉克那边，就怎么会在那边出现，就怎么会在那边，就过程你可以说一下。
6月2号晚上11点多，
靠近我们。
6月2号晚上11点多，
OK
在机械区走闲逛的时候，被别人推上车了。
哦，在被别人推上车了。
对，6月3号
6月
6月3号凌晨2点多的时候就发现出现在那个地方了。
Okay. Can I translate? I need me to translate it, right? Okay. He said actually in June 12th, the time when he working maybe for personal, and then he get some persons is catching him in the road, and then with the small van, 是小车是吧？那种小型面包车或者什么？
灰白色的 SUV。
哦，白色的 SUV。 Oh, have some guys is cashing in the road with the white color SUV, and then after that, 过后呢？
过后，就拿我的手机呗，然后拿了我的包，然后
就拿了你的手机，
拿
就上了车就拿你的手机，拿你的包是吧？
对，
Okay, when he get cash with maybe the criminals and things, and then he get the phone, the personal phone, and then the bag, all.
So in other
Escape,
words,
yeah.
this person was kidnapped and then put into a
Put
in a-
into the
in a
clubs, the Panggang there.
So how many months?
How many months? I think just few days. He say it's a February.
More than
12th,
5
right?
days.
Just only 2 days.
2 days only. Then he was rescued. Oh, you read that already. So he was picked up on a place, in some place, and then brought
When the
into the Pogo.
Mr. Chair and for the committee, he was kidnapped in Pasay, June 2, if I'm not mistaken. Then he was brought to Porac. Then we rescued him around early morning of June 5.
But by the way, you know the story of each and every, right? Can you kindly, you know the story of them, di ba? Better that you speak on their behalf because we will understand more.
Mr. Chair,
We cannot understand the translator. Di ba? Attorney Congressman Roy Loyola.
Mr. Chair, may I know if the victim have executed an affidavit? If there's if
Dr.
there is,
Winston, please reply.
can we ask copy so that we could easily understand the story behind their
Yes, Your Honor. Since most of these are complainants, they have executed their affidavits, and these are with the relevant courts po. But in the absence of those affidavits, now I could recount their story since they were recounted to us to PAOK po.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair's question.
Congresswoman
Sir,
Pancho.
So nakidnap po sila.
Yes, ma'am.
Did they give money or not?
May I, ma'am?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Dylan, as he was telling his story po, he was sold po Binenta siya doon sa Sunyuan sa Baofu.
Pakibigyan mo sila.
Ang nagbenta po sa kanya, barkada pa po niya. Ang sabi sa kanya ng barkada niya, kakain lang tayo doon sa Baofu kasi Chinese New Year po yun. Pero ang nangyari po, binenta po siya sa halagang 300,000. Pero hindi po niya alam. Tapos nung nagpupumilit na po siyang umalis doon sa Baofu, doon sa Porac, doon na po in-inform siya na you have already been sold and you will have to pay off your debt to them. Kinuha po yung kanyang cellphone, tapos yun nga po, sinabihan na po siya na kung kaya mong mabayaran within 6 months, makakalabas ka po. Pero may mga pagkakataon po kasi na umaalma yung ating witness, kaya siya po'y nabubugbog. Naipagbigay alam po siya sa atin ng Malaysian Embassy sapagkat nakapag-text po siya doon sa company phone, pinakita po niya yung mga bugbog niya dito sa kanyang mukha, yung sinasabi niyang sa kanyang face.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
I think for
Congressman Richard Gomez,
I
go
think
ahead.
for us to easily understand yung sinasabi ni ng taga-PAOK TF, Mr. Chair, maybe if they have videos to show, mas madali maintindihan ng lahat, Mr. Chair.
Yes, I
Yes.
was about to.
Yep.
Yes,
Mr.
I was
Chair.
about to. Because these 5 Chinese nationals that was invited, I think hindi naman yun yung video na that was.
Hindi ho lahat,
presented.
isa lang po
So,
yung nandito.
Can you kindly show to us yung mga videos, but not included these people? Kasi hindi naman lahat nung nasa video are what you call this, mga nag-akusa, di ba? Hindi sila kasama, di ba?
Mr.
So
Chair,
can
just
you kindly show to us the videos?
for proper context, Mr. Chair, before we proceed, are we
Yes.
made to understand that all these witnesses used to work in the same Pogo Hub or different in different locations?
No, Your Honor. 3 worked for Lucky South 99 sa Porac, Pampanga. Yung isa po, yung nauna yung translator natin was from Sunyuan or yung sa Baofu sa Bamban, Tarlac. Yung isa po, yung kababayan natin ay na-rescue po namin sa Myawaddy sa Myanmar po.
And all of these witnesses came here in the country to precisely work for Pogo?
No, Your Honor, there was pretense kasi yung iba sa kanila di umano inirecruit daw po sila bilang mga cook, mga waiter, mga ganoon, pero nabenta din po sa Pogo, Your Honor.
Actually, a while ago, I was telling this body that we're going to show it. Not only because the direction of the speaker is to have a comprehensive investigation. And when members of the committee, specifically the Committee on Public Order, I asked if we're going to show the video. Precisely the very essence of the motu proprio is to investigate the illegal activities. And I must agree with Congressman Gomez na mabigat man po yung mga eksena, but we have to tell to the Filipino people and to the international community that this country, this government is doing something on their countrymen, especially yung mga Chinese, mga Burmese, Myanmar, lahat, whatever. Meron pong aksyon ginagawa ang ating bansa. And rightly also, Congressman Alonto, siguro we have shown already a lot, no? Siguro we stop on that, no? Meron naman tayong napakita ng mga almost 5 videos. But I have seen a lot of videos. I have seen. Others you cannot take anymore. Especially the abuse on the sexual torture. There was a sexual torture, man-to-man, pinaparusahan yung hindi sumusunod doon sa kanilang pinag-uutos. And siguro pupunta na po tayo dito last, and then after this, the members of these 2 committees can ask questions already. Next to the, dito muna po kayo,
Okay po.
pakitanong po mga members. So we'll be starting with the interpellators. Unahin po natin ang ating pong minority. As I said a while ago, minority, then majority, minority, majority. Unahin po natin, the chair would like to recognize Congresswoman, Congressman Franz Castro. You are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. So, thank you dun sa doon sa sinabi po ni ni Honorable Adyong, kasi talagang kahit na ako parang hindi ko talaga matanggap yung mga torture scene. But anyway, ang unang tanong ko, Mr. Chair, ay dito sa PAGCOR. So, for once and for all po, pwede niyo po bang sabihin sa amin ilan po ba talaga yung mga legal pogos o yung may mga license? Kasi yung sinabmit niyo po dito, Mr.